So this is my 359. It has a Tsunami2 decoder in it. And you may recall from an earlier video that I was having some trouble with it. So I did a full factory reset. Finally confirmed that the factory reset actually took, which with a current keeper sometimes can be a little sketchy. But it did give me the 16 blinking lights to confirm that I did a full reset. And I still have the same problem. I've got sound, but I've got no movement. So I don't know if the decoder is partially fried or if that's even possible. But check this out. I don't know, hopefully you'll be able to hear it whenever I do this. But whenever I increase the speed steps, you can hear that there is a little clicking noise. Listen. Hear it? Now you can hear it faster because I increased the speed step. I just muted the sound as well. So I'm not sure what's going on. Any ideas? Let me know. And I just slowed it back down to stop. Very strange. And yes, the brake is not applied. Thanks for any help.